Hi friends, my name is Needhika and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this HD makeup look. So the idea behind using this makeup is 1. You use face powder before foundation, and 2. That you use water or makeup mist in your sponge while blending your makeup. So without much talking, let's get started. I'm using a moisturizer first. Now use a face primer. Brushing my eyebrows upwards using an eyebrow gel. Now using the eyebrow powder to thicken the eyebrows. Give a stroke from down to upwards, from front to back. Now I am going to use a concealer. With the help of a brush, I'll just make a fine line and then fill it. Use a makeup sponge to mix your makeup. Now use your makeup spray and mist it on your makeup sponge. Use that sponge to blend your makeup. Again use concealer. Blend the makeup again like we did before. Use a makeup setting powder or a face powder on your eyes. Now I am going to be using this green eyeshadow. Give a triangle shape towards the end. Now I am going to be using this black eyeshadow. Use it towards the end to the middle of your eye and give it a black smoky color. After it looks enough black, use another brush to just blend it. Now use a wet cotton and make a fine line. Also clean any eyeshadow which has fallen on your nose or below your eyes. Time to use eyeliner. I am using a pencil eyeliner because it looks good while creating a smoky look. Now I am going to be using green eyeshadow again as an eyeliner below my eyes. Also be using golden eyeshadow as an highlighter towards my eyebrows and inner corners of the eyes. I'm using my fingers to blend it. Now time for foundation, which I will be blending using this blender and makeup mist. Now I am using this makeup setting powder. You can use any face powder and I am using all over my face. Now again I will be using concealer below my eyes to conceal my fine lines. Time to use blush. I'm using it on both my cheekbones and towards the center, that is on the nose. Now I will be using a makeup powder and make a line from my lips towards my ears and blend it using a brush. Now I am using a highlighter using this brush on my cheekbones. I will also be using on my nose tips and on my forehead. So I will be using this false eyelashes, for which I am applying a eyelash glue first and then I will be using eyelashes on it. Time to use mascaras. I use mascara because my eyelashes stick to the false eyelashes using it. finally, I am going to be using this purple lipstick, which is my favorite color. So the look is now completed. I'm just wearing earrings and opening up my hairs. I hope you like the look. Please do try it and don't forget to tag me when you post pictures. See you next time. Bye bye.